Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of error on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve error on Telegram, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to the window or to the app of Telegram and you can click. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click manage storage if you don't want to delete or clear your data. And in the end of all these steps, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.